Trying to get your finances together in 2025, let us review the Emma Budget app if it's still worth it or should you leave it. Emma connects all your bank accounts, credit cards, and subscription all in one place. It tracks spending, sets budget, and even finds sneaky subscriptions draining your wallet. Yes, you heard it right. You get smart insights, daily updates, and spending breakdowns by category. The app is actually clean and colorful and super beginner friendly. There's also a premium tier with advanced analytics and custom categories. Things to consider is that the free version is actually solid, but some key features like manual transaction, editing, and cashback are locked behind a paid plan. Also, syncing issues can pop up with some banks. It is worth it if you want a fun, easy to manage money and break bad spending habits. So, Emma in 2025 is actually helpful, polished, and one of the best personal finance apps out there, especially for millennials and for the Gen Zs.